If you don't want your bread to go moldy, put fresh celery in the bag and it will last twice as long. If you want to store lemons for 6 months, cover them with salt in a closed jar. If you don't want your bananas to go moldy too quickly, use the plastic bag to tie a knot on the top of the bananas. If you soak your moldy cheese in a closed container with water and salt, you can keep it for another 3 months. If you want to keep tomatoes 3 times longer, remove the leaves and place them upside down in a closed container. If you don't want your potatoes to germinate, put them in a basket with 2 apples and cover with a towel. If you soak the tops of your bananas in water, they will stay fresh 3 times longer. If you don't want your strawberries to go moldy after a few days, soak them in water and apple cider vinegar before storing them in the fridge. If you wet your salad and wrap it in a towel with green onions and cilantro, your salad stays fresh and crisp for a very long time. If you go to my account, subscribe and click on the organic link, then you can pick up my free 100% gardening guide.